Tori and Tanya are going to a ballet this afternoon, and Jules and I have some errands to run. But getting Tori's hair ready, trying to get the curls popping so that she can go and enjoy this ballet. Jules, we need to get you dressed so we can head out soon too. I love how you always look so into everything.
There's 5 of them.
5 layers?
Well,
You did it yourself?
5 different types of ice cream.
5 different types? That seems like a lot. Why'd you need so many? Okay, well, we can see it, although you already have extra long, pretty eyelashes. And you didn't need it, but we're good. Beautiful. Tori's ready for the ballet. And Jules is almost ready for the day. Oh, sure, show them your new heels. You gotta back up, though. Okay? Turn to the side so we can see the heels. Ooh, she got her first pair of kitten heels. We just made it to the church, and it feels nice outside and windy, but it is supposed to be hurricane tornado-y weather tonight, so after we're done setting up here, I'm gonna have to go home and make sure that our generator and everything is set up, so that way if we do lose power tonight, I can quickly just kick that on and make sure that we're not out of sorts for too long. The winds are supposed to be up to like 70 miles an hour though, so I'm hoping that that doesn't happen, because I don't want trees falling or anyone getting hurt. Right, Josie? Right. Right, so we are here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the sound equipment set up, so that way we are ready to go tomorrow. So all these chairs and stuff that are out here are gonna have to be put out, but I'm not putting those out, I'm just handling the sound equipment. So let me get started so that we can move on and get out of here. Right, Jules? I'm gonna move on and get out of here, right? You're such a booger. You are such a little booger, but you can't resist the tickle. That tickle monster. So Julesy was like, you got your camera out, you're vlogging. So she decided she wanted to vlog too. I gotta show y'all, this is really cute.
I'm so excited. That's in my bag. It's African. I'm just making that. Mouse! I almost could do a cartwheel, but when I turn 8, I could do a cartwheel. Like a split cartwheel. So, if you want to do a split cartwheel, you just need to do what you want. Oh, I practice. When I practice, I don't give up. When I practice, I don't give up. I keep going and going. I don't stop for my radio.
So today is a Saturday, and it is actually spring break for our girls. I think we're gonna go to a couple of places during the week just to get out of the house and do something fun. But today is just for Tanya and I at least, a clean and do all the things that we were wanting to do around the house and outside the house, but haven't gotten around to doing lately. So we are dividing and conquering. The girls have over a neighborhood friend, so that keeps them occupied and allows us to clean and, like I said, do all the things that we've been wanting to do. Like Tanya wants to do some gardening and plant some stuff because it is the end of March, but spring has been springing. The trees, I don't know about where y'all live, but in Georgia, the trees have been blooming since like mid-February. So it's time to plant the things. Tanya, we have raised beds out there and have for years, and Tanya always grows our own tomatoes and cucumbers and strawberries and different things. So it's that time to plant those things and get that stuff started. So I think she's going to start that today. And I am doing more of the just regular around the house cleaning, laundry. And I also need to do some chicken chores because it's time to change the bedding in their coop and just a couple of other things. So that is what we are up to today. I know those that have watched the vlogs for a long time know that we were remodeling the room in our basement, and then we ended up having some good friends that ended up staying with us for an extended period of time. So I never really got around to showing y'all the basement, and I really shouldn't show y'all now just because it's not clean, but it is what it is. And yeah, so as of right now, we moved our furniture from upstairs downstairs. So we have that couch set down here with a little tiny TV because we're never really down here and don't really watch. So when we do have guests come, you know, they can sleep in here because we did put a bed down here. So we have a bed and a little armoire. But you see, the trick is you keep the armoire small and don't give them any other storage. So guests can't stay for more than like 3 or 4 days max. So that's a little tidbit for y'all to know. But yeah, so we have the armoire and then the little other armchair down here. And then, like I said, we don't really spend time down here watching TV, but when we do our movie nights on Fridays a lot of times down here. And so I have a little projector set up over here that I got off of Amazon for not that expensive at all. And this projector has been awesome because nothing is better than movie nights when you project it on a huge wall. And so we got this wall, and like I said, we got the bed right here. So we'll make dinner and then bring dinner down and have dinner down here while we're watching whatever movie. The last movie we watched was Moana 2, which is amazing. But yeah, and I've got some speakers down here that just give us that extra boom and surround system that we were wanting. So yeah, this is kind of our makeshift guest bedroom when it needs to be, but also our office away from the office. So when we have conference calls and things like that, that we need to get away from the girls and the noise to be able to have quiet, we can come down here and do conference calls and whatnot like that. But yeah, this is the space down here. And granted, one of these days we'll actually get it looking a little bit more decorative. I don't know. We haven't put a lot of time and effort into it because, like I said, we got a million other things to do, but it is on our list of things to do to finally finish this room. But for now, it is inhabitable and it is a comfortable room. So yeah. And then we got the walking pad down here, which is amazing because I like to be able to exercise while I am working. You know, if you're gonna sit and work from a desk and answer emails and stuff like that, what better way than to do that while exercising and getting steps in? You know, it's kind of a cheat code because it's much better than sitting. It's so much healthier for you. So I got this like adjustable standing desk thing that where's the lever? It's on this side, that adjusts to different levels. It's hard to do with one hand, but yeah, look at that. So I can raise it up to the max, and then I can get on the walking pad, and then while I'm working I can literally be walking getting my steps in and answering emails and doing what I need to do. It's hard for me to show you on camera from here, but even with my height, it still works. I'm not gonna show you now. I'll show you sometime when I'm actually using it instead of trying to pretend like I'm using it right now. But 2 amazing investments. The walking pad, which I can put in the description box just in case anybody's interested in that. And then also this adjustable standing desk that I have, which allows me, like I said, to work and exercise at the same time and be productive. For all y'all at-home workers or people that just are at home and would like to be productive while being productive, that's where it's at. To Home Depot. I thought I had everything I needed, but I don't. Those chickens tend to scooch everything to the side, and because of gravity, everything ends up being on one side of the coop. So it is time to replenish the mulch that is in the run again. And then I also need to get some soil, because like I said, Tanya is going to be planting some stuff, and we just need some soil for the chickens for their dust bath.